race on. Olympus Queen rushing up from the outside is Dainty Ankles. Red Hot Raymond. Tito Aro is running 14th. Tank alongside is Lola Curry Airway. Last 800, Dainty Ankles by about 2 lengths, followed now by Airway. Second, Tito Aro. Red Hot Raymond, Ting Tang. And rounding the far turn, Dainty Ankles, Airway on the outside. It's Airway, Dainty Ankles, Airway on the outside. As they race the final corner, Airway, Dainty Ankles by the roll. It's Airway, Dainty Ankles running by the roll. Dainty Ankles, Airway on the outside. Dainty Ankles, Airway, Ting Tang. Last 75, Dainty Ankles, Airway, Dainty Ankles by half lane, Airway and Ting Tang. And finally, Dainty Ankles, Airway, Ting Tang, Olympus Queen, Lola Curry, and Magic Jump. Super 6.